Welcome to my crib. I'm heading on a trip to Tulum. This is my second New Year's in Tulum and it's so fun. I can't wait. I have really cute things I'm packing too. Basically, I am a bodysuit fiend. I'm bringing bodysuits in every color. I'm also bringing like these 2 t-shirts. I have endless piles of white and gray t-shirts and I bring them every trip. It's like this weird thing I have to have. And then shorts in every color, so black, deep blue, light blue, a white skirt. In Tulum, they do a white New Year's, so I brought like a few different white options, like this dress, or like a blazer dress. I have to get it steamed. Maybe I'll be in a bikini, so I have a nice robe. Usually, I literally don't even have like a card thing, and I just put things into my purse, like my ticket, my receipts that I get at the airport. But this year, I have an organized wallet that I've already started using, put my passport, cards, it even has like a little currency thing. So like I have my dollars and then I'm gonna put my pesos in there and whatnot. So I'm excited. I'm gonna bring like a cute purse and a practical purse. This is my cute purse, like if I go to a beach dinner, and this is my practical purse, like, you know, the airport look. So I have these two. I also have a section in my closet just for airport attire. I have one hoodie in 5 colors because I like it so much. So it's like ripped gray, lighter gray, white, and then I have a bunch more. So I think for this one, I'm gonna go black because I have like a really late flight and I don't want people to talk to me at the airport. These are very Tulum, like a little pom-pom for the beach. Like a light leopard is always good. Okay, I know this is crazy, but I'm gonna bring cowboy boots because I'm that person. Hey, what do we think about these shoes? Are they like hideous? Are they cool? I think orthopedic sneakers on vacation would be amazing. So that will be my mom thing. I love doing like bikinis with like a headscarf and like big earrings. I think that's a vibe. So I'm gonna bring these. Just a casual vacation, you know? Super cute, like if you want to do the flight attendant look, or if you want to do a choker, or if you want to do the headband. It's multi-purpose. It's a little crazy, but I have things pre-packed, so I'm always on the go. And I literally just like restock travel size. So I'm like, someone was like, we're leaving, like now. I'd be like, okay, I'm ready to go. They're really good. There's all these different flavors and I can mix them, and then they also look really good when you want to like wear a bikini because you're all glowy and glistening. So like definitely gotta bring this whole pack. Oh, gotta bring the way spray, like especially because my hair is like naturally curly, so it just brings like a nice beach wave. This mascara is amazing. It's Laura Mercier. It's my favorite. Like I don't like face makeup because you're gonna sweat it off when you're on vacation. So that's it as far as makeup. And then I love this way like travel-ish size perfume. Oh, it smells so good. This is like my sexy dinner dress that I picture myself eating pasta in, like mob wife looking. This is gonna be like my cute like I'm on a beach cruiser bike dress look. You know, like everyone hates the orthopedic shoes, but like just wait till you put one on. Okay, the orthopedic kills it. The white one. We'll go with the white one. One of my girlfriends that's coming with me, every year she forgets her New Year's dress. So literally every year I have to pack an extra dress for her. Obsessed with this collaboration. It is Onya and We Were What. And it's like this white high-waisted bikini with like this western belt, which is why I'm packing cowboy boots. Like literally it has to be a look. It's a vibe. A bikini for every day. So ready. I have to run to a meeting right now and then head to work, so I'll see you guys later. Thanks for stopping by.